Man wanted for murder killed by the police in St. Thomas. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Yesterday, the police fatally shot a St. Andrew man who was wanted for murder in St. Thomas. The deceased has been identified as Orville Marvin Denny of a Erie Castle Stony Hill address. The police said that during the incident, which took place at approximately 1 a.m. on Tuesday morning in Port Morant, in the vicinity of Fish Cove, an illegal firearm was seized. Denny was featured on the Police Wanted Wednesday social media campaign. He was wanted for murder and was also a person of interest in relation to other crimes committed in the Erie Castle community in Stony Hill. Denny is the 38th person to be killed by members of the security force since the start of the year, and the 10th since the month of February. The Independent Commission of Investigation (INDECOM) has commenced a probe. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast.